Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change the news language on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is launch your game through the right client. And as you launch the game, it takes a while to load. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is look at the right top corner for that setting option, and as you see it, just click on here. And as you open this, just scroll this down general page. And as you scroll it, you can see the option right here, news language, and just select this. And just select any of the language that you want on your account. So guys, that's how to change the news language on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.